Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's SQL Server debate tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an operator in SQL Server. Operator are the alias for the people and groups that can receive electronic notification when jobs have completed or alerts have been raised. The SQL Server agent service supports the notification of administrators through operators. Operators enable notification and monitoring capabilities of SQL Server agent. So we will be using two ways in SQL Server. Using the SQL Server Management Studio graphical user interface UI version, and second is the using T-SQL script. An operator in SQL Server, there is a general setting, and second is the notification setting. So first we will go through the SQL Server Management Studio. Let me open the SQL Server Management Studio. This is my SQL Server Management Studio. If you are not connected with that, then just go click on the object explore. Connect to the server. There is a server name, so you provide your server name. There is a password field is there, so give the password. It will be connected. After connecting, there is a last one. There you can see the SQL Server agent. So explain the SQL Server agent. There is a operators, so explain that we don't have a operator now. If you want to create any operators, right click on the operator, go to the new operator, and there is a name. Provide the name for the operator. First thing is name, so give the operator name just like I'm giving the DBA. So DBA, and there's one checkbox is there for the enable and disable. So if you enable, then let it be checked. And notification area, there is a email name, so I'm giving the email name. So I'm giving the email for that, and no net send email, net send address is there, and pager email name is there. So if you have a pager email name, then you can give it that. And pager on duty schedule, so there is a duty schedule on Monday to the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Work begins on from 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. to 18 hours of the day, and there is Saturday, Sunday. Whenever you want to get the notification, you can select your duty schedule. Okay, next is the notification. In notification alert, see there is alert job failed. So alert, if I'm expanding there, there's alert job failure status to DBA. So this alert is already coming here, and if you have multiple alerts on for that, for any particular task, so you will get the multiple alerts job alert listed here. And if you want to send email, then just click on the email pager and not send as per your requirement, you can set it there. So go to the general, we have given the our new operator name DBA, so click on OK. So DBA alert, DBA operator is created. Go to the property. So here you can see that there is a DBA and that is enable. I'm giving the email address, and as per your duty schedule, you can select that. There is a notification area. If you want what job alerts, whenever the alert job fails status, the alert is already created. And if you don't you want to know the how to create the alert, so just watch my previous videos. So there is I already shown you the how to create the alert. And last is history. So history, this is a never email, most recent notification item, never email. So till now this is not sent any email, so this is showing that. And for everything, so we need the email to DB mail, database mail. So database mail, we have in management, we have one option is that database mail. So whenever we want to send the mail, we have to configure the database mail. And database, how to create the database mail, how to configure the database mail. So watch for my previous video, so you can get it that. So how to configure the database mail. So already I've posted the video on the YouTube. So right click on the database mail, and let's check database mail is configured or not. Just click on the configure database mail, and just manage database mail accounts and profiles. I want to see the database mail, so click on OK. View, I want to just view the, so this is my database mail. So my account is this is the Chirag tutorial, and this and that is configured with the mail.chirag.in. I configure with the my domain. If you want to configure with the Gmail, then you can configure with the Gmail. There is options to require the SSL connection. Just check for the Gmail and support I'm just replying mail support. I have a port number Gmail. You are configured with the your uh, mail SMTP. Then you just select your port number as per your requirement, and there is a basic authentication is there. So I'm giving the support at the rate is chirag.in. With that, I will manage the mail. Of course, sending the alert, all the alerts will job mail. So I have to configure the database mail to the SQL Server agent. So right click on the SQL Server agent, go to the properties, and there is a alert system is there. In the alert system, there is a option is there, checkbox enable mail profile. So click on that, enable mail profile. There is a database mail, so select the database mail system, and profile name you will get the your profile mail Chirags tutorial. So if you have a multiple mail profile, then you can get it from here. Okay? If you want to send the pager email, so you can just select this thing, and the fail safe operator. So I want to just uh, select the operator. Whenever the operator will exist, means operator will come, and the alert will pass through that. So I can check the fail safe operator, and the operator I am selecting the DBA and notify using the email. So it will go to the operator in DBA to email, and okay, so we configure the alert system. Now I'm clicking on OK. So now go to the operator. So so in the first thing we will be using the two ways. So in SQL Server, so we did the with SQL Server Management Studio graphical user interface. Next I am going to with the T-SQL script. So let me delete the operator. Okay, we have an error for the deleting. So what is DBA is the failsafe operator. So already we check the failsafe operator. Go to the your SQL Server agent, right click on that, go to the properties, go to the alert system, and there is a checkbox is there, enable failsafe operator. I'm removing that. Click on OK. Go to the operators, right click on that, just click on delete, and it will be deleted. So now I'm going through the T-SQL script. So let me open the T-SQL script. So use msdb. There I am creating the name of the operator is DBA, enable is 1, and working time is the 8 to 18, means morning 8 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, and there is a email address I am giving in Chirag. And add notification alert job fails to DBA. The alert job fails, we have alert job fails to DBA. So I'm adding that one as to operator name DBA. So let me execute this one. Executed successfully. Just go to the operator, right click on that, and just refresh. So see, DBA operator is created. So notification, emails, and general setting, and name of the operator is DBA. So in this video we'll learn how to create an operator in the SQL Server using the SQL Server Management Studio and using the SQL Server script. So the script will be available on website or description. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.